Today date is 15. This is chapter 8, indices. Now you can see here, still some are left. Now all of you see question number 11's second part. 81 whole to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 whole to the power minus 2 by 5 plus 8 whole to the power 1 by 3. 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 1 and 2 to the power 0. It is clear. Now here we will simplify. So 81 you can write 9 into 9, 81. 9 9 ja 81. And 9 you can write 3 square. So it will be 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4. Here power is negative. So you can make the power positive by reciprocating the base. Base को उल्टा कर दे. 32 upon 1 whole to the power 2 upon 5 plus 8 you can write 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. Once again here power is negative, you can write 2 upon 1 whole to the power 1 and it is 2 की power 0 means 1. Here there are successive powers. Therefore power rule will apply. When power rule will apply, 4 into 3 by 4. Power को थोड़ा ऊपर ही लिखेंगे ताकि clear रहे that this is the power. Minus 32 can be written at 2 की power 5 whole की power 2 upon 5 plus here also we will apply the power rule. Power rule apply करेंगे. So 2 3 into 1 by 3. This is 2 की power 1. So this and this cancel. So it is 3 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 5 into 2 upon 5 power rule. This and this cancel. 2 की power 1 into 2 की power 1. When you will simplify, so it is 27. 3 into 3 into 3. Here it is 2 square, so minus 4. And this is also plus 4. Means the answer is 27. Have you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here, you can take a screenshot. Then I am going to do question number 12 first part. And after that 12 second part. So see here question number 12. First part. It is 64 upon 125 whole to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by, it is 1 and in denominator it is 256 upon 625 whole to the power 1 by 4 plus this is square root 25 upon cube root 64 whole to the power 0. So you can see here that there is no need to simplify this one. And why? Because the power is 0. Therefore, immediately it will become 1. It will become 1. Now here power is negative. So you can make the power positive by reciprocating the base. Reciprocating the base means base को उल्टा करके, that is 125 upon 64 whole to the power 2 upon 3 divided by, it is 1, and you can see here 256. You do the prime factorization of 256. इसके prime factors, so 2, 128, then here it is 64, then 32. We will do the prime factors of this. How many times 2 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So you can write 2 to the power 8. And this is 625. 625 we know 25 into 25. And 25 can be written as 5 square.
5 to the
Therefore,
raised
it is 5 की power 4. You know 625 क्या है? 25 into 25. Now 25 can be written as 5 square into 5 square. Means 5 की power 4. Whole की power 1 by 4. And this we will write immediately 1. So see here, 125 is how much? 5 की power 3. 64, it is 2 की power 6. Whole की power 2 by 3. Divided by, when you will open the bracket, then what will happen? Since there is the successive power, therefore 1 by 4 will multiply with this as well as with this. Means in numerator it will be this. Power को थोड़ा सा ऊपर ही लिखना, 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1. Same thing you will do here. Here it is 5, 3 into 2 by 3. 2 to the power 6 into 2 by 3. Now see here, divided by, it is 1. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. This is cancelled. So this is 2 square upon 5 की power 1 plus 1. So now you simplify. 3 and 3 will cancel. 3 2 ja, 6. So in numerator it is 5 square upon 2 to the power 4 divided by, it will invert and multiply. First you invert this. So when you will invert, it is 1 into 5 power 1 divided by 2 square plus 1. Now see here, all of you be careful here. Here there is the division sign. This can you make multiplication and reciprocate this thing. इस चीज को उल्टा कर दे, यहां पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन और इसको उल्टा कर दे. So you can see 5 square 2 to the power 4 into 2 square upon 5 की power 1 plus 1. It is clear? Now we will further solve this. So you can see here, 5 square upon 5 की power 1, we will apply the quotient rule. So 5 to the power 2 minus 1. 2 square upon 2 की power 4. So you can see here bigger power is here. So you can write 2 to the power 4 minus 2. Denominator में लिख लिया. क्यों? Because denominator is having bigger power. Plus 1. 5 to the power 2 minus 1. 5 की power 1. 5 की power 1 means only 5. This is 2 to the power 4 minus 2 means 2 square, and 2 square is how much? 4 plus 1. So it will be 9 upon 4. That you can write 2 whole 1 upon 4. 2 whole 1 upon 4. So this way you can solve. Now see here, if you have any problem in this, you can raise your hand. By raising your hand, you can tell me that this is the problem. So now see here, see the second part of this question. We can see second part. And that is also very good question. Question number 12, second part. Here it is 5 to the power n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 की power n plus 1 divided by 9 into 5 की power n minus 2 square into 5 की power n. Now if you see carefully, this is 5 की power n plus 3 and here 5 की power n plus 1. So here power is smaller. You take out 5 की power n plus 1 common. When you will take out 5 की power n plus 1 common in the numerator, what will you get here? 5 की power n plus 3 divided by 5 की power n plus 1 minus 6. Similarly, here you can take 5 की power n common. You can see here 5 की power n, it is present in both the terms. So it will be 9 minus 2 square. Now simplify. On simplifying, here quotient rule will apply. When you will apply the quotient rule, what will you get? ऊपर की पावर में से नीचे की पावर subtract n plus 3 minus n minus 1 minus 6 and here 5 to the power n and this is 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? It is 5. Here 3 minus 1. So see here. It is 5 square minus 6. And here it is 5 की power n into 5. No power means 1 power. अगर कोई पावर नहीं है मतलब 1 power. Now 5 to the power n plus 1. This you can write 25 minus 6. Here which rule will apply? So product rule will apply. Because bases are same, therefore powers will be added. N plus 1. Now if you see here, this and this is same, you can cancel out. On cancelling out, what will you get? 19. So this is the answer. Now See one more question here. All the questions are very simple. I am doing question number 14, first part. First part. You can see here 2 square, square root 2 square. Then it is fourth root of 256 upon cube root of 64 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2. Now you can see here 256, just now we have seen that we can write 2 की power 8. So you see here it is square root 2 square into it is fourth root 2 की power 8. And this is cube root of 2 to the power 6. Here you can reciprocate the base 2 upon 1 whole to the power 2. Square root means power is 1 by 2. When you will remove the surd, ये sign क्या कहलाता? Surd का sign कहलाता. When you will remove the surd, what will you write? It's clear. Here this is surd. This is surd of fourth order. This is surd of second order. This is surd of third order. So when you will remove the sign of this surd, so 2 square whole to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 1 by 4 and 2 to the power 6 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now, which rule will apply in the next step? So it is the power rule, because there are the successive powers. So 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 8 into 1 by 4. Here 2 to the power 6 into 1 by 3. When we will simplify, what will you get? This and this cancel. 4 2 ja 8. 3 2 ja 6. So on further simplifying, from here you will get 2 की power 1 into 2 की power, here you will get 2 divided by here 2 की power 2. So 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 cancel, means 2 की power 1 means simply 2. It will be simply 2. It's clear? So now all of you see question number 16, first part. If you see this question, you will find that at one's place base is 7. In the then 49 is base. 49 you can write 7 is square. And then in denominator, what is base? 343. 343 can be written as 7 to the power 3. This is question number 16. You can see here 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 49 whole to the power n plus 2 divided by 343 whole to the power n plus 1. And then there is one more power 2 by 3. So see here 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus, because 7 is a prime number. 49 you can write 7 square n plus 2. And 343 you can write 7 to the power 3 whole की power n plus 1. And then there is one more power 2 upon 3. So see here it will be 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus, when you will multiply it is 7 to the power 2n plus 4 divided by, here what will happen, all the powers will multiply, n plus 1 into 2 upon 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. What will you get? 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 7 to the power 2n plus 4. And in denominator, n plus 1 into 2 means 2n plus 2. 2n plus 2. Now see here, if you see in the numerator, अगर हम न्यूमरेटर में देखें, whether 2n plus 3 is bigger or 2n plus 4 is bigger. So you will find that 2n plus 3 is bigger. So you take out 7 to the power 2n plus 3 common. When you will take out common from here, what will you get? 1 minus, here you will get 2n plus 4 upon 7 to the power 2n plus 3 divided by 7 to the power 2n plus 2. Now see here, when you will further solve, I am doing on the next page, you can see numerator 7 to the power 2n plus 3 within bracket 1. First I am writing this. Within bracket 1. Now here which rule will apply? So quotient rule will apply. Bases are same and numerator's power is bigger. Therefore numerator की power से denominator की power subtract. So you subtract it. Plus 4 minus 2n minus 3 divided by 7 to the power 2n plus 2. So it is 7 to the power 2n plus 3. 1 minus this and this cancel. 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 7 to the power 2n plus 2. So see here, we can write 7 to the power 2n plus 3 upon 7 to the power 2n plus 2 into minus 6. Here also quotient rule will apply. When quotient rule will apply, this and this cancel. 3 minus 2, that is 7 into minus 6 means minus 42. It will be minus 42. So this way you can do. Now see here. So this is the question number 16. Now I am going to explain you question number 17, which is based on special product. Special product means a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Then there is one more, a plus b in one bracket, a square minus ab plus b square it will be equal to a cube plus b cube. So you can see question number 17. Here it is power 1 by 3, and it is you can see here powers are same, but the bases are different. And here if you find, you will use this special formula, a minus b special product a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So since powers are same, what will you do? You will write inside a big bracket these two bases inside the big bracket you can write, because both the brackets are in multiplication, and power you can put outside. Power you can put outside. So it is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square means root 32 ka whole square minus root 5 whole square. It is a minus b, a plus b. What is in place of a? Root 32. In place of b, root 5. And when we do the square of square root number, जब किसी स्क्वायर रूट नंबर का स्क्वायर करते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट इज रिमूव्ड. So 32 minus 5. So it is 27 whole to the power 1 by 3. 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 whole की power this. So now what will happen? These powers will multiply. It is 3 की power 1 means 3. Here it will be equal to 3. All of you try to understand this question. I am giving some time for this question. Now today only 20 students have attended the class. Rest all are absent. Those who are not attending the class, they will be at loss. Now see here second part of this. Here also we will use the special product. Minus x to the power minus 1 by 3. It is x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 2 by 3. So see here we will use this formula, this special product, a minus b, in the other a square plus ab plus b square. That is equals to a cube minus b cube. This special product will be used. So see here, it is x to the power 1 by 3. In the other bracket, x की power 2 by 3. It can be written in this way, ka whole square. This one we can write as x की power 1 by 3 into x की power minus 1 by 3. If you simplify, what will you get? Bases are same, therefore powers will be added. Therefore, their addition will become 0. X की power 0 equals to 1. Therefore, in place of 1, we have written this. And this we can write x to the power minus 1 by 3 का whole square. This is bracket. Minus 1 by 3 का whole square. It's clear like this. It's clear. Now, if you take x की power 1 by 3 equals to a, x की power minus 1 by 3 equals to b, what will you get from the first bracket? You will get a minus b. From the other bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. But this you already know that it is a cube minus b cube. Substitute the values. 3. It is x to the power minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 3. When powers will multiply, it is x की power 1 and it is x की power minus 1. Means x minus 1 by x. X की power minus 1 can be written as x की power 1 by x. So this is. Now quickly you can see question number 18 first part also. And up to question number 21 you will try to do. 20 and 21 are very simple. All of you try to do up question 20 and 21 also. X to the power n whole to the power l into x to the power n upon x to the power l whole to the power, it is how much? M into x to the power l upon x to the power m whole to the power n. First of all, in each bracket you apply quotient rule. हर एक ब्रैकेट में क्या लगाएं? quotient rule लगाएं. x to the power l minus m whole to the power n. Now power rule will apply. Power rule will apply means powers will multiply. So I am writing directly ml minus nl into x to the power mn, m into n, mn minus ml into x to the power nl minus mn. Now you can see here all the bases are same and every number is in the product. Therefore, product rule will apply. So all the powers will be added. And when you will add all the powers, minus nl plus nl, minus ml plus ml, mn minus mn, x की power 0 equals to 1. Hello? So I think that you have understood.
Thank you, sir.
Now I will take the class here only.